This is Karan Johar's restaurant Oju, operated under Numa. Let's see how expensive it is to get a vegetarian lunch here. Today I'm serving Japanese mochi vibe, soft, sweet and trying not to drop soy sauce on this white dress. Karan Johar, here I come. So this is Oju by Numa, but the entry for Oju is from the Numa entry. So let's go there. Alright, here we are. Numa, welcome back. Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Can I have a table for one, please?
Numa, Oju.
For Oju.
Please, ma'am.
Yes. Hi, namaste. Alright, this is where I was sitting last time. Nice to see you again. You have to pass through Numa to reach Oju on the second floor.
We have outdoor as well,
Oh.
and we have indoors. But I would recommend not to sit out since it's very hot.
Okay, where can I
I
sit?
would recommend inside, ma'am. So
Okay. Alright.
This is our Oju bar.
Okay, beautiful. Great. Thank you so much. Hi. Can you bring me your 4 bestest vegetarian dishes and 1 mocktail, please?
Sure.
Yeah. So I love this seating. Look at that boat in the back there, the sailboat. This is apparently the sign of Oju.
Here's your mocktail, which is called Island.
I got an island in my hand, a whole island. The island mocktail. This one had soft girl energy, minimal look, pink blush moment, very pretty, subtle, refreshing with rose and hibiscus doing their thing. Like a visit to the island, literally. 8 out of 10. By the way, I love this glass. They're serving water in it.
Your Oshishishi.
Directly coming in from Japan. The Oshi sushi. This sushi was Instagrammable. Eating it with chopstick was a bit of a struggle, but worth it. Super umami, mushroomy, comforting. Haven't had vegetarian sushi like this before. 9 out of 10. So this is Karan Johar's place as well, right? So what is his favorite dish here?
We prefer the spinach and tomato salad.
One of our best selling over here is signature dish.
Wow.
Yeah.
And apparently Karan Johar also likes
Yes.
this. This spinach with gomadare sauce. This salad had drama. Crispy leeks on top looking like edible hair. Weird but amazing. You dig in and it opens up and then boom! Crispy, umami, sweet sesame goodness. Kuch kuch hota hai. 9 out of 10. So is there any crazy party that happened here?
We just had for Durandar, the success party here.
Oh, the Dhurandhar success party was here.
So ma'am, here's the kimchi curry rice.
Amazing. The vegetable kimchi and kare rice. This dish came in with a lid like I'm keeping the magic inside. Open it and it's full comfort mode. Veggie soft, mushrooms crispy. I could eat this every day. Perfect balance. Honestly, eat and sleep immediately after. 8.5 out of 10.
Here's your tokoroden dessert.
Oh wow, in a box like that. And I have to, push something out. So this is going to be violent too. The seasonal fruit tokoroten. This dessert was an activity. Mix it, push it, assemble it. I love interactive food. Looked amazing. Taste was giving sweet bhel puri. Cool but not addictive. Coconut mochi was the real star. 8 out of 10. Excuse me, can I have the bill please?
Here's your bill.
So the total bill is 4,830 rupees for 5 items in total. After reviewing Numa, I was pleasantly surprised by his restaurant Oju. Bestest.